pretty wobbly. This side right here is really wobbly. This side more sturdy, so both sides are different. And the connector's kind of a pain in the ass. This screws in and pushes into the side of this bar here. So if you screw it in, you can't really use the adjuster. Also, it's not really adjustable. I mean, it's adjustable if you want to take the whole thing apart, but it's not like you can easily just like choose the height. You got to take the whole thing apart, I guess move it up. I don't know. So it's not really easily adjustable. So I don't know. I don't recommend really. That's probably fine for dips, but you know, get what you pay for.
Okay, this is a dip station. Parts list. I got everything. Just gonna put it together now. Okay, here it is. Here is one guy who was helping me out. Without him, this project would be impossible. Okay. Like I said, this is very, very practical device. This dip station. You can release your back, stretch out, stuff.
Good build, decent quality, good height adjustment. I don't like the bar. I feel like if you're putting something in the middle to connect, it should be a little more stable. With this here, it literally like, I can wiggle it off the ground just with minimal effort. So that bar there, it's in both sides, but it doesn't make anything. It makes it stable so that the two don't separate. Besides that, it's not good for anything. So, yeah.
So this is a quick release thing.